right now we need food and coffee. So this place looks awesome. Let's go. Hey Emma, this thing's a bit creepy. What do you think?
I don't like it.
It's an early Paddington bear.
Or a late one. There's also his money.
Yeah. Homeless Paddington.
Yeah.
Stop one on our awesome adventure today. Where are we?
Town Hall.
Town Hall. City Hall?
City Hall, yeah.
City Hall.
Same thing.
Yeah, it looks pretty awesome. It's quite an old building, isn't it?
1911.
1911. Wow.
Not that old.
No, not that old. I guess.
Well, depends what you're comparing it to.
Well, I didn't. It would have been an old building, but it burnt down, didn't it?
No, it was just a mill.
Oh, right. Who needs a guide when you've got Emma? She knows everything. I think it's because she always stops and reads all the plaques. Isn't that right?
Yeah, it was only about a paragraph long there.
Ah, right. How cool was that blue hall?
Yeah, it is very cool.
It's pretty spectacular, isn't it? That's where they do the Nobel Prize. Maybe when I win one, we'll go back there.
Not the Nobel Prize.
No, the banquet.
Yes.
Nobel banquet. My bad. Maybe when I win one, we'll go back there.
What are you going to win it for?
Oh, I don't know. Something. So, City Hall, worth a visit?
Yeah, definitely.
It was so cool, wasn't it?
Surprisingly.
Yeah. No, I was pleasantly surprised. It was very beautiful in there. 100% recommended.
The tour guide was good.
Yeah, she was so good. Super enthusiastic. Which is what you want in a tour guide, I guess. So we're now at the Vasa Museum and we're checking out an old boat.
Yeah, it's a ship.
Ship. Checking out an old ship. Look at it. Was it?
It was really good.
Recommended?
Yeah.
It was pretty amazing, wasn't
Learned
it?
a lot of stuff.
Yeah, the heaps of stuff. And it was like, they had the person's body and then the stuff that was with them, then stuff about them and then where they were found all in one section.
Yeah.
Like everything was preserved. Sometimes when you go to museums and things, it's like, oh, this part of the body's been sent to some other museum and like, you know that?
And
But,
here's a random hair clip.
yeah, but that was really good. Have you had a good day?
I have had a good day.
What do you want to do now?
Food?
Food is definitely high on my list of things to do.
You hungry?
I'm starving. We've only had breakfast. Yeah. I mean, the sun's almost gone, as you can see, but it's only like 4
It's not
o'clock.
dinner time.
No, so it's lunchtime. Crazy. Food.
Yeah.
You can't really see it, it's a bit dark in here, but this food is absolutely amazing. It's quite cheap actually, but it's the first time I've had fruits, no fruits, just vegetables. Oh, although those are berries, so yeah. Emma, of course being in Sweden, got meatballs.
You have to, don't you?
Swedish meatballs in Sweden?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I got like chicken with sweet potato and stuff, but I'm so excited to eat this.